Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in English writing lesson. Now as we all know that there are lots of writing skills. Now here I will teach you article writing. Now in this lesson what is article? Number two things I will teach you. Number one is what and two is format. Right? Now, article writing means what? That we all know that we see the articles in newspapers, in magazines, in some other books also. So one part that is known as article. In article, there are three things is compulsory, right? Three paragraph. If you want to write a long article, so you can write a long article also. And article should be, it's a one format of the paragraph writing. That is a one format. That is like a paragraph writing. Suppose we are writing a paragraph. So what is it? That we have to show one format, one particular. In paragraph writing, we are not follow the format, but in article writing, we should follow the one format. Now, in article, you have to present your own ideas, right? Then you have to use some different languages also. So these are the things that we have to include in article writing. Number two, that is a format. Now, what is the format of article writing? So number one is heading, right? If you start writing article, the heading should be there, right? The heading should be there, but the heading is how? That catchy heading. Catchy heading. Suppose if you want to write the article on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, right? So what we write? Cleanliness is a godliness, then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, right? So what is it? It is a catchy line. Directly you can write that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. If you want to write, then it's also right. But if you use some attractive line in your heading, the reader should be attracted towards your article. Number two, name of article right, exactly after the heading you should write the name of the writer who published the article, right? So we have to write the name of the article writer. Number three, that is what? Content. In your content, you should be, content means what? Body of article, right? Body of article. Now, what is it? That if you want to write article, as I told you that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so you have to introduce who started, when started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, right? Then what is it, right? How it is successful? Is it not? It is successful or not? We have, it means merit or demerits of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Then grammar, and last one, foremost, what is it? That working or writing style. Now this point is very important because in this point you have to use fact, then numerical, survey, quotes, right? Some proverbs. You can use in this point when you use these things in your article writing, the article should be very attractive and the reader must be read that article. And what happened? You are getting the full marks also. Might be full marks you are getting. Suppose I told you that as this is the format of the article writing, as I told you that if we want to write the article on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so how can we start that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? So directly we cannot start that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is very good abhiyan, very good campaign, is a very successful campaign in India. No, it is totally wrong. You cannot start with this paragraph. You have to start that cleanliness as a godliness, as this proverb, as this quotes. So Narendra Modi, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on 2nd October 2014. Now you can write down that it is a very successful campaign in India. The main purpose of this campaign is to clean India. Now see that. This much you write, very attractive, very useful writing, and you will become, it means the writer, the reader's attraction, you draw the readers, you will draw the reader's attraction. So this is the very thing. Then after you can use the very facts on that article, then you can write about some quotes also, some numerical. These are the things you can include in your article writing. Remember, article writing is not longest form in our syllabus. You can write down 3 paragraphs, right? 3 para. You have to write down number 1, introduction. Number 2, main purpose, or we can say that body. And number 3, conclusion. See, these things we have to include in our article writing. So students, if you want to see that how the article writing, I send one PDF of our article writing in your that is I will send one PDF in your homework. So you can see that the article writing in that way we have to writing. Thank you students. So here I complete my article writing lesson. Thank you.